Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 11 o'clock in Honolulu, 5 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, July 23rd, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We have a nice reversal in the precious metals markets with them moving lower. I say nice because we do have a current short position. Gold futures basis August, currently trading at $12.2450, putting it down about $6.60 on the day. The October contract is sitting at $12.2880, and that is also down about $6.20 on the day. Silver losing well over a full percentage point, a net decline of 16 cents on the day, trading at $15.38, and that is all in light of a stronger U.S. dollar, currently trading up by about 0.21% or a 20-point gain at 94.42. Equity markets themselves were mixed, with the Standard & Poor's trading slightly higher, gaining about 5 points on the day, but the industrials closing slightly lower, losing about 13 points on the day at 25.44. And then lastly, the composite index actually showing some strong gains today, up 21 points, a quarter-point gain at 78.41. Lastly, Bitcoin futures has been on a tear lately, currently trading up about $370, but now at $7,710 per Bitcoin. Traders, after last week's action and an interview on Thursday by President Trump to CNBC, we saw the precious metals really begin to move up higher. We also saw the dollar under tremendous strength. If you recall, gold had been trading under tremendous pressure on Thursday. This is Thursday's candle right here, actually trading to an intraday low right at around $1,210. That was until an interview by Donald Trump. That really pushed the market up tremendously and well off of the lows to close lower, but nominally lower. Then on Friday, of course, we had a surge as the dollar really fell under pressure, losing about 0.8% on the day. Over the weekend, statements made by Steve Mnuchin, the Treasury Secretary, said, first of all, that the administration fully supports Fed actions, and more importantly, he said that the administration wishes for a strong dollar rather than a weak dollar. And that is kind of what set the wheels in motion and the reversal that we are witnessing with today's activity, and gold currently trading off by about $6.60, currently at $12.2450. Therefore, traders, my recommendation is to maintain our current short position either in August or October. Maintain our current stops. We will look to move them in the next couple of days in terms of our exit strategy. I still remain under the assumption that we could see gold track as low as about 1,200 to 1,204. That is based upon these lows that came in August. However, we have an intraday low that was achieved last week of 1,210, and I will now label that as minor support with major support at $1,204. And traders, silver also lost ground today, losing well over 1%, which is double the drawdown that we witnessed in gold. The interesting thing about silver is that when gold went and breached the lows that came in December and January of last year, silver was trading well above that price point and did not break. In fact, didn't break until last week when we finally saw it break below these lows. And at this point, I believe that they will absolutely challenge the lows that came in July in similar manner to gold, and that is just above $15 per ounce. And traders, lastly, a quick look at Bitcoin futures. We certainly saw prices jump up over the last 10 trading days when it came off of these lows at around 6,000 and began to trade higher. Currently, we show solid support at about 7,200, minor resistance at 7,700, and major resistance in Bitcoin futures at 8,161. Let's round it down to 8,100 per coin. Traders, there is no doubt the dollar weakness that we witnessed last week following the interview on CNBC by President Trump was absolutely short-lived, and whether it was statements made by Steve Mnuchin over the weekend or traders coming off of that knee-jerk reaction, we absolutely have seen the dollar return to its normal parameters of recent, which is strength and firmness, and gold trading under pressure. It is for that reason that we are recommending that we maintain our short positions as well as our stops. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.